Okay. Okay. Well, we're here. It's about like 1 something in the morning. We got nothing better to do. And these two right here, they've never seen this video. So we're gonna get this video popping in this piece. And so yeah, here we go. Y'all ready?
Alright.
You sure? Okay. Oh, by the way, this one guy wants screwdriver. Yeah.
Okay. If you want to come in.
This is what?
What is that? No! No! No!
Wait.
This is worse than the other one! No! No, I can't do this one. Not this one, AJ. Whoa!
No. No.
Oh,
Oh my God.
you can't have kids.
What in the world just happened?
What happened in his house when he was little? That's some personal problems right there. No, man. Look
No,
at that.
that
He
is
looks
not
like-
even cool.
His mama just slapped him.
No.
They don't even look like blood. Hold on, what is that? Like he said, that's cranberry juice.
No. No. I ain't like that one. I didn't like the last
I ain't like
one.
the last one, okay.
Okay.